Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you one of the best and widely appraised home planetarium star projectors, the Govee Galaxy Light Star Projector 2 Pro. I will show you what comes in the box, a close-up of the projector, how to load a glass film disc into the projector, discuss the 9 key features, and demonstrate the 8 different interchangeable film discs. What comes in the box? The Govee Galaxy Light Star Projector 2 Pro, which is made of plastic, the Govee Projector base stand, 8 glass interchangeable film disc, power cable, power adapter, lens cloth, user manual, and a quick start guide. The 9 key features of the Govee projector. Key feature 1. This projector has a 4 megapixel high definition lens, which projects true-to-life photorealistic renderings on the ceilings, walls, and surfaces with exceptional sharp clarity. Key feature 2. This space projector features 8 swappable glass discs, 21 white noise options, and 20 scenes, supporting for over 3,200 different combinations. This projector brings the universe indoors and transforms any room into a vast universe with a breathtaking cosmic experience. Key feature 3. The projector has a 360 degrees adjustable base stand so you can adjust the viewing from any position. Key feature 4. The projector illuminates up to 301 square feet, so you can turn any dark room into a planetarium. Key feature 5. The projector can project moving laser stars along with the imagery, or you can switch off the moving laser stars and enjoy only the galaxy images. Key feature 6. There are 4 smart control methods. This groovy starlight projector works with SmartThings app, Matter app, Alexa, or Google Assistant app, and you can use the Govee Home app for remote access. Customize up to 6 preferred lighting scenes in the Govee app and save those scenes to the physical button on this star projector for a one-touch change. Key feature 7. The Govee projector has a 2-hour off timer for convenience and energy saving. Key feature 8. You can turn the music on and off with a button, or listen to white noise as you view the projected galaxies and the moving laser stars, or turn the sound off completely. Key feature 9. There is a manual focus ring to adjust the sharpness and clarity of the projected images. To transform any dark room in your home into a vast universe with a breathtaking cosmic experience, the cost of this Govee Galaxy Projector 2 Pro on Amazon is $180. I do hope this video of the Govee Galaxy Lightstar Projector 2 Pro was informative and helpful. As always, thank you for watching.